They say that the Nigerian army refused to show the video of ongoing katakata where they happen for inside Osumowo because a lot of their men are falling. According to this Biafra Liberation Army, where they call Commander Holy Ghost. No be small thing o, as e dey dread na so we take hear am o. Now we say we bring am come show our people say see wetin dey happen o. Yeah, my wonderful people, we go find out how they dey sup for that area. Welcome back to Balabas GC. Today na the first time we dey come across this channel. You are highly welcome. No be small thing, we quickly jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. One Biafra Liberation Army don come outside though. He say that the Nigerian army have their video of wetin dey happen for inside Osumowo. Say themselves get their own video, but if they post their own, e go be violence. Now I can say this one self, e get as e be, but however, he say Nigeria army no wan post their own o. Now I can say here, okay, my people, abeg more na use una ear hear this one, and before we go come back, come proceed.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. And good evening, Biafra supporters. We have come to the end of the 8-day war in Imo state of Biafra land. Tomorrow is another day. So therefore, let's wait and see what tomorrow have for us. As I always tell them, that this joining, the thing is going to be easy for them. It's never going to be easy. As I always tell them that they thought they would win this war, but they can never win it, even in 1,000,000 years to come. They have tried their best, but I'm still here to report to them that their best is not best enough, and it can never be best enough. Yes. When they finish, I'm here to tell you. Lest I forget, because I have just 20 minutes to update you for today war, and then quickly switch to something I was doing. I saw some pay agents of the zoo, precisely deos member, coming on air and talk nonsense. He say so-called Simon Ekpa boys who have been coming to talk about war and hiding their faces is not real, blah 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 blah. You know, sometimes I laugh. Pardon my manner. And then he say that why can't we show the full video when we are battling with the army face to face? There is something this idiot talk that really marvels me. You say when Nigeria army battle with Boko Haram, and they show video, and then I want to ask that idiot, please, if you know him, tax this video to him. Tax him on this broadcast I'm making now. Ask him, why can't Nigeria army show the video that are battling with us in Osumowo? Simple question. Ask the idiot that question. Tax him on this video. Let him answer that question. Is Nigeria soldier not in Osumowo 8 days now battling with Biafra army? The answer is yes, they are in Osumowo. They ask him, why are they not showing the video of the battle between Nigeria army and Biafra Liberation Army? Why are they not posting the video? I dare not see the armor tanga. And then if he doubt, why can't he call people in Osumowo or Anambra, some people in Anambra or Iyala or Afo runabout and find out. You know, you think when you come like this and talk garbage, people will listen to you. That time I've gone. And you want us to show our face so that it can be easy for you to trace our family and then go and burn down our building or find our relative to arrest. We are above that, okay? We are very intelligent. As I always say, when time comes that we will reveal our faces, you will know. You all know us. And definitely that time won't be long. That time will not be long. Please, Udechukwu Darlington. Udechukwu Darlington. I am okay. I may understand you. But for the purpose of clarification, I am not Igwe Butuzo. Igwe Butuzo is a triple general. Is a general in charge of this army that is doing wonders. Igwe Butuzo is in charge of this army that is doing wonders. I am one of the concrete, one of the subordinates. So take that correction, please. But this greeting goes to General Butuzo. General Butuzo. Yeah, he will receive your greeting. I believe he will also listen to the broadcast. Udechukwu Darlington, throw salute for you, sir. Now back to what I was doing. Nigeria Army refused to show the video. It's not that they don't have the video, they have the video that they are battling with us. They have the video. But the reason why they refuse to show you the video is because they are losing. They are dying. So they also felt that it would be so discouraging if they should show you the video where the people them think is on trained soldier, touts, are dealing with them. That is one of the reasons that make them not to show you the video of the war they are fighting in Osumowo for this past 8 days today. They have the video. They cannot show you. We have the video. Most of those videos, the reason why I cannot show you on Facebook is because Facebook will ban my page. We also have video. There has video. So idiot, instead of you to disgrace and idiotic yourself, fool yourself like this, because this is exactly what journalists in Nigeria are doing. And that is why we tell them brown envelope journalists. They will not verify the facts. They will not verify the event. They will not verify anything. They will just, cast anything that ask them to report. They will just report it. Do you understand? That is the problem. And that is why the whole world knew that they are fake. So, this very war, I'm telling you the truth, it will reach everywhere. Maybe when it reach your uncle, reach your auntie, reach your wife, reach your sister, maybe that time they will be the one to report to you, because definitely this war will touch everywhere. And that is why I want to tell the zoo this. I hope you people know what Hope is doing. Of course, you are the one that sent him. I hope you are prepared for what is to come. If your mind is telling you that after this war we will remain in this bush, you are joking. You are joking. Go and ask how the Great Revolution normally starts. I always refer you to history. Chukwu Okike Abịama, our creator, is not a failure. Our ancestor is not failure. So all those things where you people are doing, it will bounce back to all of you. Whosoever that tell hope, or that send hope, or Soludo, all the Igbo politician, I'm here to tell you that you will not succeed. And when you finish your this thing, you will hear from us. Because we will definitely pursue you to the end. You will never give up. Oh. I keep telling you this, and I will keep telling you this, that we will never give up. This very fight, we will fight to the end. So therefore, I hope you know that after this, men are falling out. I hope you know that. I believe you know that. Bring more weapon, oh. Bring more weapon. I challenge you to bring more weapon. And I equally challenge you to bring more men and try to stop us. But do you see this fire you put? It's the same fire that will consume you. This fire you are putting, it will be the same fire that will consume you. Then you will understand that these very children of Biafra, this very set, are not handmade. This very set were prepared before they come. And there is nothing you can do about it. You see this very branch of Biafra, they no dey agree for anybody. And we will never agree for you. You have come today and you have died. The people that died today could have lived. But because they love money more than their life, they have ended up their life. Those who will come tomorrow, death is still waiting for them. Those who will come next tomorrow, death is still waiting for them. Those who will still come the day after the day after the day after the day, and so they will keep dying. At the end, Biafra must be restored. You can't stop it. That is all I can tell you. We are still here, we go nowhere. Because this is the land of our ancestors. And we must defend it till the last man standing. If you understand, you understand. If you don't understand, I'm sorry for you. But the poison you cook for us, now we they take the feed you. Sorry. We are not the one that kill you. You kill yourself. Are we not in our land? Waiting carry you come our land. You came to our land to kill us. Why will you live? You cannot live. The children of the Most High God, the light that can never quench, the moon that can never change, shining in the dark. You will understand us later. Don't forget, the masquerade has started dancing. Let me see how you can stop this breeze from blowing. Let me see how you can stop sun from shining from the east. I am still here to see how you can finish all our river or swap our sand. But if you cannot do any of those things, write your last will, because you will meet your great-grandfather and they will tell you just one simple thing. You go fight those people, you are very stupid. I will not go further than this. Let's see what tomorrow will bring for us. Today is a success, a great success. May Chuko Gikariama bless you, guide you, protect you, that think good about Biafra. And may he continue to destroy the enemies of Biafra in Eke, in Orlu, in Afọ, and in Nkwo, now and forevermore. He say, tell them one thing, that this is the land of our ancestors. And in this land of our ancestors called Biafra, we go nowhere. Simple as ABC. From me, from here.
Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing o. As e dey hot, na so we dey bring am dey come. Shebi you don see am? You don hear everything wey talk for this video, and may you let us know what you think for inside comment section, and also drop your own opinion for inside there. Make sure say you share this video so that other people go see they get the information of wetin dey happen. We go quickly see you for the next update as e dey hot.